ben toujours vous savez.
The airport guys having our breakfast and this is the cafe. Love it, yeah. And yeah, this is an egg cardo. She's got avocado egg, and this is an avocado and tomato sandwich and our coffee. We're drinking two things, coffee and hot chocolate. Welcome to Paris guys, back within a year. Paris should really love me, or maybe I love Paris so much, but this is a relationship I feel like continuing. My hair looked like a mess. I Dysoned last night. Anyway, this is the Paris airport, and you guys have seen my Paris vlogs earlier. This time is going to be special and different because Seher and Kapil are with me. So let's see. Back to my favorite city. Hello from Paris. Thank God guys, there's a little namesake balcony around out that I have, and here is my view. Typical Parisian streets. So nice. Room view. Very tired. The room view is amazing, it's stunning. But I'm very exhausted, so we'll rest it out a little and then head out. Finally, after lazing around for 2-3 hours, we have finally left our hotel. Waiting for a cab. Of course, first things first when you come to Paris is Eiffel Tower and Louvre, the museum. So thinking of doing that, but we haven't booked the ticket because we thought first we'll see if we can get on top of Eiffel Tower. If not, then we'll go to Louvre. Louvre tickets are easily available online. So let's see. That's the plan. I'm wearing a very easy peasy Zara dress and we're waiting for a cab. I'm back to this majestic beauty. Hello Eiffel Tower! Twice in a year. Lucky to be here again. Love it. So we are going to the ticket counter. Look at the rush guys, and it's so hot. Let's see if we can get the ticket to the top. Trying to go on top. Let's see if we can get the tickets. Got the ticket! Guys, we got the ticket to the top. Yay! Wasn't that bad? 10 minutes of waiting and we got the ticket. The lift, guys.
Wow, Zed, look at it.
Yeah. It's a view from the Eiffel Tower, guys. That's the whole of Paris.
Look at it. Are we too high?
It's fun.
You can do this on the foot, right? You can do this on the foot.
See the river? You can see the river? Sing! Oh wow! This is the full. We are on top, Seher. From the top of the Eiffel Tower. How beautiful! We just got back from the top, and honestly I think the experience is a little overrated because it's so crowded, and also the view from the front and of looking at the whole Eiffel Tower. Right now I'm sitting below it, so I think the view of Eiffel Tower as a full thing is better than going on top, though of course you get a great view of the whole Paris city as I showed you, but I think it's a little overrated. So yes, but it's a one-time thing, and you know the elevators are of course very convenient. You don't have to take the steps. There is an option of taking steps also on all four sides. There are a lot of steps, and I would anyway be scared because it's like, you know, open. But yeah, there are two lifts. You change two lifts. First lift takes you to the second floor, and the second lift takes you to the top, like the very top. So it's pretty nice and a great experience. You see the whole river and all looks pretty. But yeah, still I find it overrated. But we had a good time. How was Eiffel Tower? Loved it. Yeah.
And he got this at
He
the
got
top.
this memorable coin from there. Eating right underneath the Eiffel. Grande, guys. We are leaving for Disneyland today. It's very, very hot in Paris. Literally, I've always thought Paris is gonna be. Oh my god, my tag is there. I'm wearing a denim dress because it's gotta be comfy in this whole day. I'm wearing sneakers and a denim dress, and the dress is from Zara. I have to take the tag off, and I'm wearing a bow, guys, if you can see. We're taking a cab. There's a train that goes also, but we wanted to take a cab, so we've taken a cab. Ready to go. It's so beautiful. कभी हमने ये रास्ता है रास्ते को
On the left.
see the front, the castle. Let's go to Disneyland, guys. Come to Disneyland, guys. That's come on. Everyone is sat for the parade, which happens once a day, and that is the beautiful castle.
And these are all the shops. We can buy them.
Castle. So beautiful. Waiting for the parade to start, and that is how beautiful this looks. Thank you. And there's the little one sitting. Oh wow! Sir, who's that? Cinderella! And who's that? Sir, look at the dragon! Oh wow! Guys, this is a dreamland not just for kids, for adults also. I love it. Parade started, I had tears in my eyes when I looked at my favorite Disney characters. So this place is magical, not just for kids of course, but I'm loving it. Like, I want to go on every ride and enjoy everything with my child. It's a dream world, and honestly blessed to come here. And if you can make it, come here with your child. He'll love it. He or she will love it. Let's have the Mickey ice cream, guys. Such a fun experience. I've taken a little break. Sitting down, you really need to unwind also. We just had some popcorn and ice cream, and the little one and her dad have gone on a ride which looked pretty scary, and also I'm exhausted, so I'm also not that adventurous as much as my daughter and her father. So they both have gone in for a ride which is a little freaky. It's a Pirates of the Caribbean ride. The good thing is we got the priority pass, so it saves us some lines, but still there's a lot of waiting to get on the ride. And I've had 2 ice creams till now. I'm literally surviving on ice cream. You know why? Because it is so hot here. It's about 28 degrees, burning hot. The European sun is something else. Buy these pictures of your kid in action. So look at her. I missed the ride. I didn't do it, guys. Not every ride is for me. I feel this is look at her. So exciting. Come to the small world and oh wow! Look at that! Look at that! Sir, look at the ducks! Sir, look at this! So beautiful! Oh my god, they want to do this. It's raining in Disneyland. We are drenched. It's raining. We're trying to find a restaurant to eat. There are lots of restaurants, theme-based restaurants here. So we're looking for one. Come to this restaurant. There are lots of theme-based restaurants here. This is one of them. It has kids menu and they have pizzas which are Mickey shaped. So I'm going to show you that. We really got wet. Tired also, honestly. There's so much walking. Guys, they did this. What do you say? Oh, yummy. What you need in this summer heat? Relish the ice cream. This is what you need in this mad heat because it's so hot. So we've reached another section of Disneyland, which is actually the other park. We actually booked both the parks. You can actually just book one, but we wanted to do both. And we have the priority pass, so it actually helps. You get an access to, breaking the line and preference, and you get ahead in the line. Disneyland is still magical. It's 4 p.m. We're done with lunch, so of course regained our energies. So, what is this park called?
This is Discovery Line.
Discovery. Yeah, do that. Let's do that. There is driving. Wow! The thing is, there are multiple carts every step of the way to eat different kind of things. Like this is a hot dog place. I'm just sitting at a shawarma place. At a veggie shawarma. They actually, it is earlier very difficult to find vegetarian food. I'm a vegetarian. I eat egg though, but of course I'm a vegetarian, vegetarian. But it's so difficult in these countries to find vegetarian food. The father and daughter have gone on a ride, which I didn't want to do. So I'm selective about the rides I do. Some I do, some I don't. But this trip is anyway about her, and they both are thrill seekers and adventure seekers. So my idea is to just see her enjoy, and that's what she's loving. I didn't know my daughter loved thrill and adventure so much. Like the scariest of the rides that my husband is telling me that is very scary, like very bumpy and like roller coasters. She has thrilled and enjoyed like how, and she wants to go back to them. We are very exhausted. It's 7 p.m. and honestly, the day has gone by and there are still so many rides to do. We actually booked both the parks, but honestly, guys, not possible. But we booked the €200 access pass, which gives you like the priority access. saves you a lot of time in every ride because you don't stand 40 minutes in each ride. Even the hot dog place, all these places have mock meat options, so you can always take like a mock meat shawarma, mock meat hot dog and all of that. Guys, my battery is low, so I think this is pretty much it of Disneyland that I'll be able to show you. Look at that ride. I'm very scared of that. Father and daughter will do it. I will not. It's like a drop thing. This is the most magical sunset at Disneyland. Ending the day, it's 9:30 and look at this, so beautiful. Shopping is done. From Disney dress, we went to the merchandise store. She picked up a dress, she picked up a necklace. Good morning guys, it's actually Friday. We leave on Sunday. No, we leave Monday mornings. Last 3 days in Paris. We are heading out today. That's the little one. I'm just worried where she's headed, so my attention is there. We're ready. I'm wearing a beautiful dress from this brand called Mazikin. I love their outfits. They're very, very, very pretty. Zara pricing, but much better. We are heading out very late. Yesterday was so exhausting that we really... Hi! Yesterday we were so tired that today we decided to take the morning easy and sleep in and woke up very, very late. Today is the Paris City day. It's already 1 o'clock. I'm taking these guys to breakfast brunch, you can say, to Café de Flore, which is such a beautiful cafe. I went to last time also. It's beautiful and the food, you know, we're feeling like having eggs and stuff.
And she's also going to take us to Africa.
Yeah.
We're turning right from here, Ari? Right?
No, but just because here you said
Favorite cafe, Café de Flore. I love this place, guys. It's such a nice. This is the cafe that I love. You get amazing eggs here. It's really highly rated, and I love the food here. Beautiful. This is such an iconic cafe. Absolutely love it.
They are giving it on the side.
They're giving it on the side. Mama will put it in your toast. I will say. So just had an incredible meal at Café de Flora. Every time I come here, I'm like, some places are popular for a reason, not just because they're touristy. Guys, some places are popular, some places are touristy. But this is popular and well worth the hype because the food is incredible. The cheese and mushroom omelets were so good that we had one each and then we ordered one more to share. The Louvre Museum is 10 minutes walk and we've eaten so much, might as well walk around. The place where Café de Flore is has a lot of luxury brands around. So Louis Vuitton is in fact right next to it. And this is another one. The little one is energetic because she's just eaten. These chappals I bought 5 years back and they are the most comfortable chappals to wear anywhere, everywhere, because there's a thick wooden sole underneath. I feel like rather than wearing closed shoes all the time, all day, especially if we have a long day out, something like this really works well. Yeah? Bridge, you wanna go on the bridge? You wanna go on the bridge? See?
Bridge.
Yeah, the river. So guys, just walking around. Such a pretty bridge. I love this European feel, guys. We have reached Louvre Museum. Let's go and see.
What is that? USA. Then what is it? No. Pen.
So iconic. Look at that. Can you see that? That's like a glass house. See. So pretty. Hi, Louvre. Come. This is the house of Mona Lisa, guys. That's a lot of people. Oh, wow. That's the amazing art and sculptures inside the Louvre. This is beautiful, guys. The art is stunning. Sculptures there. The little one is tired. These little museums are so long in terms of walking.
Hey, look at this, how beautiful it is.
Can't even get it.
Thank you.
We're done with the Louvre. It's a beautiful time of the day. It's done, guys. This is a beautiful location. I can't wait to show you what we shot. But very happy with the shoot. It was just ideal.
How do you get the
To this place called Misco.
You have another one to do.
Yum food, guys. Morning, everyone. It's day 9, I think, or 10, I don't know. Second last day in Paris. Tomorrow is our last day, and we leave day after tomorrow. It's Saturday, and we're heading out. It's slightly cold today, and there's prediction of rain, so we are a little full sleeves. I'm wearing this mango dress I picked up from the store. My daughter is also like decked up. I've made her wear full clothes, and husband is wearing a jacket. I'm carrying a stole because it's slightly colder today, 18 degrees, but we are out and about. It's 11:30. We just had breakfast in our hotel only. We're going to Champs-Elysees today. We are going to just explore the streets of Paris today. Just no agenda really. Just maybe get on a hop on, hop off, or just chill in the city. Come to Galeries Lafayette, which is like a multi-designer store where you get everything. All European brands and popular brands, luxury brands. Clothing, bags, footwear, everything. The little one has got her toy, so she is busy exploring it. And we are looking at it sale time, guys. So, looking at everything. Hello. I'm in my comfy wear. It's not that cold. We anticipated it to be colder. Thinking of taking this double-decker bus. We are on the hop on and hop off, and
so close to the island?
yeah, see? Say hi.
Can you?
And this bus ride has been fun.
Right?
Being touristy with the little one.
We stayed in.
For dinner at this place which has a view of the Eiffel Tower. I hope it's nice. Let's see. And hopefully we should see the twinkling lights. Let's see. Till home. The beautiful restaurant we're at. That's the view of this beautiful place, guys. It's actually right next to the Eiffel Tower. That's amazing. Love it. कोई पास्ता दे दो ना. हाँ. Beautiful, guys. These are the twinkling lights, guys. So beautiful. This is our breakfast. Everyone is putting a toast. It's our last day. I'm starting with some fat, some cheese first. Some boiled eggs, some granola, carrot cake I'm trying, and some plain croissants not there. So chocolate croissants, some orange juice. Hey guys, so it's finally our last day in Paris, which means it's finally shopping day. Yesterday also we didn't really shop. We were just walking around the streets and just enjoying the city without an agenda, and just had good food and chilled. Today is finally the day where we're going to the outlet mall, which is La Ville, whatever it's called. It's about 45 minutes by car. We're taking a cab, and I'm in my comfiest, like a oversized shirt and jeans, because guys have to be comfortable. Lots of walking. Entire day is gonna go into, you know, just shopping. And you know, the idea of going to these outlets is you get all these amazing brands, whether it's menswear, Hackett, Fred Perry, Boss, everything at literally half the price. And you stock up on clothes mostly. You get footwear, bags and all also, but I find their collection very limited. But you do get a lot of good clothes, especially for my daughter also. You know, I feel like I like to buy branded stuff, but for kids, you know, because they outgrow so quickly, it's better to you know, buy them on a sale or something, or a better price, because they literally wear it for a few months, 1 year, and then it's gone. Their size changes like that. We're taking a suitcase. This is a pro tip. I've been there once. I've been to a lot of outlets, and every time we do this, you can't carry so many carry bags. So always carry a suitcase. I'm carrying a medium-sized suitcase along because all the shopping will just get dumped there, and easy to just walk around with your trolley suitcase. So always take a suitcase when you go to these places. Saves you a lot of energy. My beautiful trip is coming to an end. French Riviera was stunning. Paris is always magical. The sun is out today, which is great. Last 2-3 days have been a little gloomy. So yeah, it's nice, 20-23 degrees. So perfect weather. I forgot to wear earrings, so I better add that. I'm wearing the House of Makeup skin tint, which is amazing. Yes, the little one is ready to. She bought her favorite Polly Pocket toy yesterday. She loves it. So very excited. It's going with us everywhere basically. Guys, look at the rush, the lines, the queues. It's gonna be maddening. But yes, we made it. I love this place. Outlet experience, guys. In queues today. Hungry, ordered in food, finally home, and ordered pasta and pizza. Let's go home, guys. Thank you, Paris. Thank you, France. We're ready to go home. It was a fabulous trip and loved every bit of it. I'm signing off from this vlog now. It's been wonderful. Say, come back, please. We got her this trolley bag which she can ride, and she's all over it. Got it from the Samsonite store.
C'est du coup, moi je lui envoie un peu des mandats et tout.
Heading home, guys. Bye, Paris.